Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying 3 essentials: the exact Android model, that you know the linked Google account, and that battery is above 50%. Once done, decide whether you will use Find My Device, Recovery Mode, or Manufacturer Tools. Connect to Wi-Fi or plug into a PC. Make sure USB debugging is unnecessary for factory reset. Start now by attempting the least destructive option, Find My Device, or power the phone off to prepare for recovery key combinations. You enter recovery mode using the model's hardware combo, commonly power plus volume down or up. Hold until the bootloader appears. Once in recovery, use the volume keys to move and power to select. Choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset. Confirm because this erases user data. The device will run the reset sequence. Make sure not to interrupt it. After completion, select Reboot System Now. This clears the lock, but may trigger factory reset protection, requiring your Google account sign-in. You'll now go through initial setup and must sign in with the Google account previously synced to bypass factory reset protection, which prevents unauthorized access. If the account is unavailable, try recovering the Google account first or use the device manufacturer's account recovery tools. If FRP still blocks you, contact official support or visit a service center with proof of purchase. Technicians can verify ownership and assist. Tip: keep receipts and account details handy to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.